Examining the intricate circumstances surrounding the cargo ship's collision with the Baltimore Bridge unveils a multifaceted narrative requiring meticulous investigation. By meticulously examining each of these aspects, a clearer picture of what transpired will emerge. The investigation will likely take time, but a thorough understanding of the factors at play is crucial for preventing similar tragedies in the future. Determining the exact cause of the cargo ship colliding with the Baltimore Bridge requires investigation. However, maritime experts have suggested some possibilities. Maritime experts have posited several potential contributing factors. Mechanical failure. A primary consideration is the possibility of mechanical malfunction within the ship's steering or engine systems. Such a failure could have precipitated a loss of control, ultimately directing the vessel towards the bridge. Human error. Another pivotal aspect is the potential for navigational misjudgments or errors by the ship's captain or crew. Fatigue, miscalculations, or lapses in judgment during the navigation process may have significantly contributed to the collision. Weather conditions. The role of adverse weather conditions cannot be discounted. Heavy fog, storms, or high winds could have severely impaired visibility, impeding the ship's ability to navigate safely and potentially leading to the collision. Communication breakdown. Issues with communication among the ship, port authorities, or nearby vessels could have exacerbated the situation. Confusion stemming from miscommunication might have contributed to the accident's occurrence. To ascertain the root cause, investigators will meticulously analyze data retrieved from ship voyage recorders, weather reports, and comprehensive interviews with the crew. However, the collapse of the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore likely unfolded through a series of intricate events following the cargo ship collision. Here's a detailed breakdown of the potential sequence of events. Direct impact. Upon collision with the ship, the bridge may have endured substantial structural damage, particularly to its support pillars. These pillars, integral to bearing the weight of the bridge deck and roadway, may have suffered compromising damage if the collision's impact was forceful enough. Cascading failure. The initial damage inflicted on a critical support pillar could have initiated a domino effect. As the compromised pillar faltered, the load it bore would transfer to adjacent pillars, potentially overwhelming them. Should these neighboring pillars lack the resilience to handle the additional weight, they too would succumb, triggering a progressive collapse of the bridge deck. Bridge design. An essential consideration lies in the design and age of the bridge itself. Older bridges, constructed before modern safety standards were established, may not have possessed the structural integrity or load-bearing capacity necessary to withstand the impact of a large vessel collision. Investigative efforts will delve into intricate specifics, including the circumstances leading to the collision, the extent of damage inflicted upon the bridge, and any inherent limitations within its design. By meticulously dissecting each element, investigators aim to unravel the complex interplay of factors that culminated in the catastrophic event.